Breakups hurt. They leave you confused, emotional, and tempted to reach out, even when you know you shouldn't. But today, I want to explain why the no contact rule isn't about ignoring someone. It's about rebuilding yourself. No contact means zero communication, no texting, no calling, no checking their social media, no accidental messages, no driving past their house. It's a full stop. But it's not punishment. It's protection. When a breakup happens, emotions are everywhere. Reaching out only keeps the wound open. But no contact gives you something powerful, clarity. When you pull back, three things happen. Your emotions settle, and you start thinking logically again. You stop feeding the attachment that's causing the pain. Your ex finally feels your absence, something they can't feel if you're always available. Distance creates space. Space creates perspective. Perspective creates healing. You will miss them. You will want to break the silence. Your mind will invent excuses to reach out. That's normal. But every time you don't give in, you're proving to yourself that you can survive without them. And that's where real strength begins. No contact isn't about getting your ex back. It's about getting yourself back. If they return, great. If they don't, you'll be stronger, clearer, and ready for something better. Remember this: silence is not weakness. Silence is self-respect.